Basketball, you betcha I'm right back at you. Hey, I hope you checked out the intro of the guys. Hey, they played their butts off this weekend and got it done in the championship. That's why my voice is gone. But guess what? I'm not ever going to be gone because I'm here and I'm the daily trainer, and I'm here for you to get you better every day, every time you plan to view. Let's go basketball, you. Let's get started. We're going to get right into our made layups. We're going to make layups right away. Let's go 10 on each side. Once we get warmed up right there, we're going to roll it out and get into our footwork. We're going to rip through. We're going to dribble. We're going to finish our layups. After we do that, we're going to rip through and we're going to jump stop and finish our layups. We got 5 sets of each. That's 5 sets of each. Okay, we're going inside pivot, then we're going outside as well. We're going to go on the right side, and then we're going to go on the left side. Okay, then right after that, we're going to get right into our 5-spot layups. Okay, right into it, finishing hard, jumping high, trying to slap that glass. If you can't slap that glass, go high off the glass. Okay, remember, taller players are going to block shots, and we don't want that. Okay, we got 2 sets of that. So 1 set of everything leading up to the 5-spot layups. Okay, and what I mean by 1 set is when we go with our rip throughs, we're only going to go 5, and we're going to do that 1 time. All right, and then with our 5-spot layups, we're going to go finish those layups, go around the world on it, and then boom, 1 more time after we take our break. Okay, after you do that, I want you to take a break and get some free throws up. Those free throws are going to be about what we're shooting from the field, and that is about 75%. So I'm going to have you shoot at least 75%. So you're going to make at least 8 out of 10 when you go to the free throw line. If not, you're okay. You know, just keep trying for that goal. We got to set goals, okay? If we don't set goals, how are we going to get better? All right? Remember the questions you got to ask yourself. Those questions are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Can you make plays while you're tired? And the 4th one I'm going to add this week. Are you working harder than everyone else around you? That is a key component for your own success. If you don't work hard, then who is? There's an example that has to be set out there, and you need to be the one setting the example. All right? Now, after saying all that, I want to go into some more moves and some more layups. Okay, so typically we like to dribble, and we're going to dribble with some more moves. So I have the cone at the top of the key, or you could say at the top of the 3-point line. We're working our in and out dribble, exploding and finishing. We're working our crossover dribble, finishing. We're working our through the legs dribble and finishing. And then we're also working our behind the back dribbling and finishing. Okay, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to also add that second cone on both sides of the floor, and we're going to work some stop and go moves. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm going to same leg stop, and then I'm also going to give you more of a turn hesitation, kind of like Isaiah Thomas style. I know you guys haven't seen him play in a while, but we're going to do that, and we're going to finish layups. Okay, I want you to just go 3 sets on each because it's a lot of energy you have to use to get the moves done. Okay, so you can just rewind the tape or the video and just keep watching these moves to kind of really get them down. And I can break them down for you too. You just let me know. All right, and then let me know in the comments just anything that you want in regards to basketball, and ask any questions. Okay, I know you guys want to shoot threes out there, so that's what we're about to do right now. We're about to get into these shooting drills. So first, I want you to work your shooting form, because this is going to be very important moving forward to getting those threes. Then I want you to warm up with the star shooting drill mid-range. Okay, once you do star shooting drill mid-range, your legs will be warmed up, you'll be nice and good. Then I want you to do star shooting for threes. So we're only going to go 1 set on star shooting, and then the second set is going to be at the 3-point line. Okay, so once you do those, then I want you to get into our new threes, where we're going to be pulling up from the wing, the top of the key, and then the wing. Okay, so we're going to go full speed dribble and work on stopping and getting our momentum and our feet under us to make our 3-point shots. Now, as you can see, I was splashing a little bit, but it wasn't like a one take thing. I was a little tired out there, but I did not stop working, and that's the key. But there are no cuts, so when I did hit these shots, they were consistent. So again, you want to get that consistency. Even though you got a rebound and you're gonna be a little tired, just push through. It's important to do it right-handed and then pick the ball up and shoot. And it's also important to do it left-handed, right, and pick the ball up and shoot as well, because you just never know in game what hand you're gonna have to come off of. As much as we would like it to be routine, your jump shot's never going to be as routine as it is in a drill. But you do want to make it as comfortable as you can in order to make more baskets consistently, to know if you are a shooter or if you are not. Can you make yourself a shooter? Yes. How much time does it take? There is no timetable on whether or not how to be a good shooter. But the key is to put in time, and the right type of time, with doing things properly in order to be consistent. Now, there's plenty of things out there that you can watch. I'm more than happy to recommend people that I think are good people to watch. So if you have a question about that and you think my jumper is broke, then you know what? I'll tell you where to go find a person with that right jumper, okay? I always love the basketball community and everyone doing well. But in this drill, you want to make, on this particular time frame, because it's so much running back and forth, you just want to make 3 each spot, okay? So you're going to go right hand pull up on the wing 3, then right hand pull up the top 3, and then you're going to go left hand pull up on the wing 3, then you're going to go right hand pull up on the wing 3, then you're going to go left hand pull up at the top of the key 3, and then you're going to go back to the right side with the left hand, okay? And it just gives you that variation of different shooting. So I thought this was a really good drill. And then we're going to go around the world after. So you're going to go from missing these shots and chasing them around to not chasing your ball around as much, because you're going to be short range, okay? Now, in this around the world, I want you to go 2 sets, all right? And then lastly, what we're going to do for shooting is we're going to go bank shots, okay? Working that consistency, that 3 levels of bank shooting. And again, it's just consistency over and over and over again. There's so many drills that we can do, but these are going to be effective, easy, and it gives you a break in between after working hard. So that's the key there. Okay, now doing all that shooting, now I want you to now shoot 15 free throws. Now in these 15 free throws, I want you to at least be at 75%. So that is the goal, okay? Make shots, make free throws, and work as hard as you can. Conditioning, everybody's favorite time of the workout. Oh yeah. We are going to implement a little bit of dribbling, and then we're going to implement a little bit of running, okay? So with that, we're going to go through the cones real quick. You're just going to work a lot of different dribbles. It's going to be triple like the moves, okay? So we got crossover through the legs, okay? You got crossover between, and then you're going to have crossover through the legs behind, okay? So when doing these, you're going to basically push yourself to dribble the ball and snap it as best you can while maneuvering through the cones. Right after you go through the full set of those 3, I want you to run a 10 countdown with your weak hand sideline to sideline, okay? Then after you do that, you're going to come back, and then we're going to work behind the back crossover dribble. We're going to work through the legs crossover dribble, and then we're going to work cross dribble, okay, where you're staying on the same side of the cone. Then I want you to go back and run another 10 with the weak hand again, which is that if it's your left or it's your right, do that again, okay? And then after we do that, we have a quick little defensive series where we're sliding key to key, and we're going to go 2 sets of that for 30 seconds, all right? Let me know your totals down there. A lot of good people can get about 23, 24 in that 30 seconds. Some people can get about 20, 21. If you're starting out and get a little tired, it'll be around 17 or 18 touches. So that's 1 touch on one side, 1 touch on the other side. Again, we're just working as hard as we can, and we're having fun with this basketball. Don't you forget that, all right? And then at the end, let's make those free throws, and let's get to 70% on the free throws at least. So that's 7 out of 10, all right? That is it, basketball. I hope you enjoyed the workout. I hope you're not sweating too hard, but then again, I hope you are, because we are working to be the best shape we can be, all right? And remember this, someone's always working. Are you?